Hold up. Wait a minute. What is this? And I love it so much already. So this is like, and I know I've said this many times recently, but this is like a Surface Duo, but Samsung edition. So Samsung reportedly showcased renders of a potential new foldable phone in a recent survey. The renders show a wide-style foldable cell phone. There have been many previous leaks and rumors suggesting Samsung was working on such a device. And this is what it looks like fully opened. This is what it looks like when it's closed. And is that not just like, again, a Surface Duo with an outside display? Now, obviously, it won't bend 360 degrees, but we saw Motorola come out with a very similar concept, and now Samsung is coming out with a similar concept. Listen, if we can get a Surface Duo concept phone, but actually make it work correctly, like the software is great, and it does have a cover display like this, I think there's going to be a lot of people who are interested in picking up that cell phone. There's going to be a lot of people who are absolutely all for it. Excuse me. So the hinge is also not that bad, to be honest. Hinge is barely anything. Yeah, no, again, the only issue with this, and the only issue I would say, right, software, right? Because Z Fold series, why it's so successful, and the software is so good, it's because it's had so many years and generations of apps that are designed for the Z Fold devices and designed for that form factor. The reason why weird form factor cell phones don't usually work when it comes to foldable, flippable cell phones is because you have to get, developers to get on board, and they have to change their applications to work with foldable cell phones with weird dimensions. Because this right here is a very weird dimension type foldable cell phone. Kind of reminds me of the Google Pixel Fold 1, but not exactly. So, excuse me, that's really the biggest issue. Is just getting companies on board and actually selling the idea that there's going to be a lot of people who buy these cell phones. Because if there's not, you're not going to see these companies actually want to develop for these products. But hey, maybe it will work out and maybe we'll get something good. But the inside display shouldn't be much of an issue. It is a weird form factor, a little bit different because it looks a little bit smaller. But it shouldn't be an issue for the inside display. The outside display is where you're going to have the issue and have the problem. That's where you're going to have to really start going through. We'll see, though. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys next one.